In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Discord sorry you have been blocked message. This happens to everyone and you can just wait it out. But for the meantime, I will be showing you methods that can potentially fix your problem. So our first method is we will check for updates. Let's head on to search and check for updates. And just click on check for updates and do the necessary updates that is needed. And for our next method, we can head on to firewall and network protection. And let's click on domain network and turn off Microsoft Defender firewall. And then for the third method, let's head on over to Chrome, which where I am now, or the browser that you are using. And let's head on to extensions and manage our extensions. So just turn off all the extensions that you feel like is having problems with your Discord. And next, let's head on over to our fourth method, which is history. And let's click on history and let's head on over to clear browsing data and click on advanced. Then just click check on everything. Then just click on clear data. And after that, after clearing the data, you can also head on over to check if your browser is up to date. So for me, my Chrome is up to date. And after all you do these methods, restart your browser and restart your computer. But if these methods don't work, just wait it out because it happens to everyone else. That's about it. That's how you fix Discord sorry you have been blocked message.